the hot sauce market internationally is huge. And it's considered to be a $350 billion market internationally. But Bangladeshi market hot sauce concept does not exist. We have chili sauce. We have all grown up eating chili sauce, but hot sauce is very different from chili sauce because of the pepper that is being used. And the pepper hot sauce use kora Bangladesh abundance product produce kora hoy, which is the naga chilies. So there we saw the potential that the product does not exist in the market. It is a well-tested product internationally, and Bangladeshi manush to they love jhal to khai. So that's when we thought that okay, maybe this is something we should try out.
Right.
That's when we started testing recipes, and now it is where it is. Yeah.